Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off and installing app sound on Redmi mobile phones. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then scroll, and here you have to click on the sound and vibration. Again you have to scroll. Here is the additional settings, so click on it. After you have been click on it, you are going to find here is the plus on when and installing apps. Okay, so it has been set on from before, and if you want to off, you just click on this icon here like this. Here the plus on when and installing apps will be set off. Okay, and if you want to on, you just click on this icon here again like this. Here the sound will be activate on your mobile phone. You can on off like this, okay, by this icon. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.